the catch. In this video, I'm gonna guide you through how to make egg fried rice. I'm gonna show you some tips so your Chinese friend won't hate you again. Or maybe your Filipino or Japanese friend or whatever kind of Asian he is. This dish is really easy and simple. Most of you are probably overthinking that since we're Asians, we're born to be perfect. Our parents don't want our marks to be C, right? They always want it A. But hey, if you follow the steps, you'll find this easy and you won't be messing up again. Alright, so let's start. Hi, my name's Jet and I'm this guy who cook in this channel. Mr. Yaktiv, that's my channel name. And yeah, I'm inspiring to be one of those YouTuber cooks one day, right? Alright, so follow me. I'm gonna give you some steps to follow in order to not to mess this up. We're gonna start in the very basic and you know, you really have to follow this so your Asian friend won't hate you. If you're making a fried rice, you always want to use a... What's this? It's a wok. Traditionally, this is what they use in order to make a good fried rice. And there's this thing called wok hei or wok hai. I'm not Chinese. In Asia, this thing is really common. It's either you get this carbon steel or there's this one that is a cast iron. But yeah, you can use any pan to make a good fried rice. But I'm just saying that you always want to stick to the traditional, right? Right, you should know how to season properly the wok, right? If you don't, I have a video for that. Just check this out and I will teach you. So you should know the tools that comes with it, right? There's this thing, I don't know what's this called. I'm not a wok chef. It looks like a golf club though. Yeah. Here's the garlic. Bruh. In the Philippines, we use this to clean the outside doors. But I don't know, in China, they use this to clean the wok. It's really cool, right? The second thing is use Asian ingredients, right? Right? But I'm allergic to Asian ingredients. You're allergic to what? You don't really need to use a lot of Asian ingredients. You just really need to stick to the basic of it, right? Like garlic, ginger, spring onions, chili, right? Rice. Right? You don't really have to like make it different so you look different. When you're doing the rices, you always want to use a leftover rice. You don't want to use the one you cooked today. Most Asians will hate you for that, right? I'm just letting you know right now.
You have to use leftover.
So the thing though is there's so many variation of fried rice, right? If you've seen one in a Chinese restaurant or any Chinese, you know, where they serve fried rice, you can always copy what they have, right? A lot of people put vegetable in their fried rice. I mean, it's good, but what Uncle Roger says is it's funny. I kind of like how he's...
I see so many niece and nephew make egg fried rice with carrot or peas. Don't use vegetable. Vegetable tastes like sad.
By the way, if you think I'm teaching this right, I would appreciate if you like the video or comment or subscribe. Make some garlic. And you're gonna make that sound. So our uncles will believe that we're doing a great job in the kitchen. Red onions. I mean, you can use shallots, but since in our country that shit is expensive, any onion will work, right? Also, I'll be using some chili, just to give it a little bit of heat. Green onion at the very end, right? To garnish it. There you go. 2 eggs, right? In eggs, you can use any eggs. There's no such thing as Asian eggs, right? There's an Asian egg, it's probably small. Here. Yeah. Alright, so we're not gonna use this to whisk that shit. We need an Asian equipment. Oh no, not my katana. Alright, so let's start the shit. So the first thing is heat up your wok. Oil up, right? Just dump it in here. I started with the onion, the garlic, and chili. So you want to cook that. The second part of my cooking, forgive me, there's a clip that I didn't press record when I'm putting the egg. I kind of messed up there. Oh, how stupid that is. Alright, so I added the egg, then rice. Some soy sauce. If you don't add soy sauce, it's not a fried rice, I guess. Sesame oil. Then sadly though, I don't have an MSG. Uncle Roger will kill me. I only use a regular sea salt, right? But yeah, of course, you gotta use MSG, right? If you want Uncle Roger to be impressed. And we're gonna season this shit. There you go. So once it's almost done, the last thing you wanna put is green onion. There you go. And fried rice. Let me try this, okay? I'm gonna let you know how good is my fried rice. Wow. Wow. That's good. Amy Oliver, how did you mess this up? Kidding, I'm just kidding. I hope you like what I did here, and I hope you copy this one day. Right? It's really good, I'm not gonna lie. If anyone wants to try this, come here. Yet, and I hope you like the video and sub. That's everything. Goodbye. No. Wow, have a good joke.